What we do, of course, here in the printing division of BJU Press, which includes not only the print shop where the presses are, where we manufacture the books, put them together, but also the distribution center where the orders are filled and shipped out. And so that is our responsibility as part of the entire BJU Press organization. And it's a task that keeps us very busy. We print year-round for a compact selling season that goes from May to around right after the 1st of September.
As far as the origin of BJU Press, it started out obviously small, and they really wanted to be able to present different subjects, or the subjects that you would learn in high school, from a biblical worldview standpoint.
We knew we wanted to get a digital press back probably around 2017. We had a certain product line that we were sending out to be done. And so we used that product line, converting it to digital, to justify the purchase of our first digital press. So that's what pushed us to an HP T485 with the 42-inch sheet capability.
So the advantage of this new press for us is that it allows us to lower our quantities, to digitally print them. It doesn't matter anymore how many copies we have to run. We have the ability now with our finishing equipment that we can quickly change over. So if we want to run multiple titles, we're going to eventually have the ability to run one job right after the next.
One of the things that I think is just absolutely remarkable is the machine can detect defects, and it will kick out the defects and automatically reprint and make the correction. I just think that is absolutely remarkable.
The primary thing we did in purchasing our HP T485 was putting it in line with Mueller-Martini of finishing equipment. That arrangement, configuration of equipment was only the second in the world. I think the first one was in France. That has turned out to be a tremendous benefit to us. Give a very quick example, a 700-page biology student textbook using the offset method, it took us a total of 60 hours by the time we burned plates to the time we bound it. With the 485 and the Mueller equipment, we're able to do that same job of 3,100 of those books in less than 15 hours. So it's that savings in digital, which again, like a quarter of the time, a quarter of the labor force, that is propelling the move to digital.